Hey guys, if you're getting a yellow border around your Windows 11 screen, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. So the first thing we need to do is to shut down any applications that could be conflicting with our Windows screen, especially any screen recording programs. This could include a program like OBS, which records your screen, or a really common application that actually causes this issue is when you have the screen recording feature enabled on your Discord application. So once you've tried shutting down any third-party applications like Discord, if that hasn't fixed the issue for you, then what you need to do is head over to your Start menu, search for Run, and then come over to the Run icon. Inside of this search box, just type in msconfig and then hit Enter. And at the top here, we need to come over to this Services tab, and down at the bottom, select this button, Hide All Microsoft Services, and then we need to go ahead and press Disable All. This will disable any third-party applications from running in the background of your PC. So we can go ahead and press Apply and OK to save these changes. Now, you will need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect, so I'd recommend going ahead and doing that now. Now, if you've restarted your PC and that's still not fixed the issue, then the next thing you can do is head over to the Start menu and search for Settings, and then come over to the Settings tab. From the left-hand side, we need to come down to Accessibility, and we're going to scroll all the way down here inside of Narrator. And you need to make sure this Narrator option here is turned off, as this can be another reason why the yellow border appears. Then from the left-hand side, select Personalization, come inside of the Themes tab down here. Come down once more inside of Contrast Themes, and you just need to ensure that this drop-down is set to None. And lastly, if that's still not fixed the issue, all we can do is come down to Privacy and Security on the left here. Come all the way down to Screenshot Borders, which will be right at the bottom down here. It's this second to last one, Screenshot Borders. And inside of here, you need to ensure all of these options are turned on. As you can see, I've already got this set up correctly. And then once you've set all of these to on, we can close out of this window, and that should have now fixed the yellow border issue. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.